Hello? Yes, Karthik? Oh, really? Are you coming? Okay. Please come. We are waiting for you. Okay. Akriti, our new neighbors are coming, so please go and prepare tea for them. Akriti, I think they reached. Please go and open the door.
Hello,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hello.
We are your new neighbors.
Oh, yeah, please come in.
Hello, sir.
Sweet.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Thank
Hello,
you so
sir.
much,
Please
ma'am.
have your
Please
seat.
come in. Please have your seat, ma'am. So nice to see you here.
Same here.
Well, what brings you here and where did you move from?
Professionally, I am a software engineer and we have recently transferred here.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Daddy, I won a trophy.
Oh, congratulations, dear.
Thank you. Hello, auntie. Hello, uncle.
Hello,
Hello,
beta.
beta.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Where does she study?
Little Flower School, Gita.
Okay.
Dear, now go to your room, wash your hands, and have lunch.
Okay, daddy.
Actually, ma'am, we are searching a good school to enroll our children. Could you recommend any nearby?
Yes, as newcomers, we are unfamiliar with the locality.
Okay, so why don't you consider the school where our child study?
Little Fra School Gida, right?
Yeah, it excels in infrastructure, academics, as well as co-curricular activities.
Okay.
You can trust me, ma'am. It's worth considering.
So, could you tell us more about the school, please?
Of course, ma'am. Let me share its history with you. Little Flower School Gida is owned and managed by Catholic Diocese of Gorakhpur Education Society. Began its academic journey in 2003 with just 40 students in lower and upper kindergarten.
Moreover, throughout its 20 years trajectory, the institution has demonstrated remarkable resilience and growth, evolving from a humble beginnings to a vibrant educational powerhouse.
That's okay. But I have a question that is it CBSE or ICSE affiliated school?
Yes, sir. It's been CBSE affiliated since 2012, and that marked a significant turning point in its development.
The school positively impacts students, educators, and the broader community.
Yes, and also I feel that a well designed school infrastructure facilitates optimal academic outcomes. So, do you think
Daddy,
infrastructure
please.
actually matters?
Absolutely, ma'am, it does. A school's physical environment complements other essential factors like home
No, thank you.
environment, library,
No, thank you, beta.
technology, and student services.
The tea is getting cold, please have it.
Yeah, sure.
Little Flower School Gida exemplifies this ideal, boasting a stimulating atmosphere and highest educational standards. The school 10-acre campus features a meticulously designed infrastructure.
And an eco friendly environment with lush green lawns and diverse flora.
Little Flower School offers comprehensive transportation services covering all major routes, ensuring convenience and accessibility for students.
And for enhanced safety, the school buses are equipped with advanced GPS tracking systems, providing real time monitoring and assuring a student's secure commute.
That's wonderful about the school. But apart from theoretical knowledge, students need practical experience. Can this school provide that?
Yes, of course. The school emphasizes hands on learning through various programs and activities.
The school's cutting edge facilities include regular lab sessions, enable students to explore complex concepts and phenomena in depth.
And their sophisticated laboratories for computer science, physics, biology, and chemistry is specifically designed to foster scientific inquiries and innovations.
Other than the lab, our child's school is having a well resourced library that provides conducive environment for intellectual growth. It has extensive collection of books, journals, and digital resources.
Okay, that means it creates an immersive and interactive learning environment.
Yeah, and you would wonder knowing that the school even organizes health camp, which is quite uncommon in this locality.
Oh,
Oh,
really?
really?
Yeah, embracing the timeless age, health is wealth, and a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. The school prioritize our students' well-being.
So, can you give any instance of such camp organized recently there?
Well, recently, yeah, in last May, the Fatima Hospital conducted a 2 days eye checkup program for the students, and a dental camp was conducted by Purvanchal Institute of Dental Science. And by initiating these camps, the school reaffirmed the institution's pledge to prioritize the wellness of the students and cultivating a strong foundation for their growth into vibrant, healthy, and responsible future citizens.
And what health initiative does the school undertake?
The school offers a fully equipped infirmary staffed by a highly trained and experienced nurse who provides exceptional care to the students during school hours. This facility ensures that children would get same level of attention and nurturing as they would at home.
Wow, the school sounds to be so good. But if we have to check our child's regular progress in the school, how can we interact with the teachers?
Why not, ma'am? To foster open communication and collaborations, the school hosts regular parent teacher interactions. These sessions enable parents to discuss their child's habits and progress and review and sign achievement records.
Sounds excellent. But in this era, children need co curricular activities. So, please acknowledge us more in this regard.
Well, that's a good point. But yes, the institution recognizes the importance of co curricular activities. Throughout the academic year, students participate in various competitions, honing their skills and building resilience.
Absolutely, and the impressive array of trophies, laurels, and the medals won by students in various competitions testifies to their commitment to nurturing academic excellence, creativity, and character.
Yeah, and notably, the school has recently emerged victorious in the inter-school football competitions and inter-school primary group song, showcasing the students' exceptional teamwork and sportsmanship.
And also, it places equal emphasis on artistic pursuits, particularly music and dance, and have a transformative impact on personal growth and development.
Beyond academics, the school also prioritizes character development, emphasizing religious tolerance as a vital life skill.
You know, Little Flower School Gida observes interreligious prayers on Gandhi Jayanti, demonstrating its commitment to fostering holistic growth in students.
I get your point. But beyond textbook and classrooms, there exist a life skills that demand attention.
Yes, of course. And recognizing this only, the school management has initiated workshops and plenary sessions for students in different grades, addressing their critical concerns such as procrastination, time management, health awareness, and many more.
In July, the school hosted an array of seminars and workshops tailored to enhance students' knowledge and refine their skills.
The institution also conducted a comprehensive session on cybercrime awareness, enlightening students on how to remain vigilant in the digital age.
Great. And yes, what about the teachers?
How does the school empower the educators?
Well, they conduct regular seminars, workshops, and teaching sessions, fostering their professional growth and enhancing their contribution in student success.
Mom, I remember last time our teachers had the workshop just before the summer vacation began.
Okay.
And how does Little Flower School Gida utilize experiential learning to enhance students' awareness of their talents and surroundings?
To promote experiential learning, the school conducts various activities.
Yeah, for example, the summer camp where the students got chance to explore their talents and nurture them under the guidance of the teachers.
The school also organizes educational tours for students and staff to historically significant sites, fostering cultural awareness and academic enrichment.
Yeah, I remember last August, the senior residents had an enriching educational tour to our state capital and other sites of historical significance.
Meanwhile, primary students enjoyed an exciting picnic to the Gorakhpur Zoo last month.
And these expeditions provided them to learn invaluable real life experiences. Have you heard about that Taru Mitra Club?
Tarun Mitra Club. Yeah, I remembered. Is it that club with its emphasis on environmental education and seeks to instill a profound connection between students and natural world?
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's the same. And the LFS institution proudly offers a variety of co curricular clubs like English Club, Maths Club, Science Club, Dance and Music Club, and the pioneering Taru Mitra Club.
You know, on the occasion of Children's Day, the Rumita Club is spearheaded as a commendable plantation drive, engaging students in a meaningful initiative that highlighted the significance of afforestation.
And this thoughtful effort reflects the school's commitment for nurturing the students' affinity for nature and fostering holistic development. You know, the school offers the words of wisdom that wisely choose your path, cherish your school years, absorb knowledge, and embody the values instilled by your parents and teachers.
Yes, the school's commitment is affirmed through blossoming into a beacon of knowledge, spreading life's vibrant colors, and nurturing future generations to fulfill humanity's purpose.
Thank you, sir and ma'am, for intimating such a good school for our children.
We will definitely consider this.
Thank
Thank
you.
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 Thank you.
Thank you.
Hath milao.
Thank you, dear children, for the beautiful presentation of our school report. Today, we are privileged to have an extraordinary individual amongst us. Someone who is not only the cornerstone of our school, but also a source of inspiration for all of us. Our esteemed president of our school, Right Reverend Bishop Matthew Nelikunel CST, Bishop of Catholic Diocese of Gorakhpur.
He holds a distinguished position and has a rich tapestry of experiences and wisdom. Under his visionary leadership, our school has scaled new heights and achieved numerous accomplishments.
Without further ado, I take great pride and honor in inviting His Excellency, Right Reverend Bishop Matthew, to grace us with his words of wisdom. As we look forward to his illuminating insights, let's extend a warm welcome with a thunderous round of applause.